Okay, today we're doing, it's a how-to on installing and removing a magazine plug on a Mossberg 500. Gun is clear. So basically, you just need to take off the barrel. So we unscrew it. Barrel just slides out, and the plug, it just goes in the end here. And so right there, you just screw the barrel back on and the plug is in. You'll be limited to 2 rounds in the magazine. And to take it out, it's just pull it out. And to put the barrel back in, just make sure you get it aligned. Like that. And then you screw it in. And just finger tight, and they said that some space is normal between the magazine and the barrel here, and you just need to make sure it's aligned in the receiver. So, and that's it. And this is how you can unload the magazine without chambering around. So snap cap. So you just depress the stop here and pull up on the shells like that. There you go. And I don't run a plug in my gun because here on Kauai we don't have any migratory birds, which is the mourning dove. We have only the barred dove and the spotted dove. So per DLNR we can have more than 3 rounds in our shotguns, and this was, I emailed DLNR, so got it straight from them.